So welcome back to part 2 of trying clothes from Street Style Store. So there is this section on their website in which you get 3 products for 7.99 rupees only, and I was really intrigued after seeing that, so I decided to give it a try. Hence I've got 3 clothing pieces. I just ordered 3 things first because I wanted to see. पता चला सारे खराब आ गए and all my money would go down the drain. Unlike the last time, this time I had really good experience in delivery. I think the products got delivered to me within a week, which is amazing because Street Style Store is kind of notorious for, like being very late with the delivery. So originally each piece is priced at rupees 399, which makes the total 1200, like approximately 1200. But then the offer gives you 3 things at 799, which is basically like every item around like 260 rupees. So it's like a very good deal, and I'm going to judge all these clothing pieces considering that price point in my mind. Now the first one is a pink ribbed crop top, and again this time also I'm giving you my first reaction. I've not tried them yet, I've not opened them. So the first one is a cute crop top, and it has got these ruffles and sleeves in the frills and the chest wala part. Now this one I got in the size XL. I think I got all the pieces in the size XL. This is how the top looks like. First of all, the color looks really good. Like this is such a beautiful shade of pink. It's like a very pastel-y shade, and मतलब बहुत अच्छा bright white नहीं है, तो मुझे काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. And the quality feels really good. I mean the top that I'm wearing currently, this one is from Shein, and इसका quality seems better than this one. This is a little thinner, but इसका quality बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Like I'm really impressed with the quality of this. I'm very excited to actually try it. So let me quickly put it on, then I'll give you rest of my reviews. Oh my god, I am literally screaming. I just love this top. Oh my god, the color perfect, the fit chef's kiss. I just love the fitting of this. Now it's got this really cute ruffle detailing here, and the same detailing goes to my sleeves, and I think this is like a very flattering top. And right now I'm wearing this with this really cute pastel skirt that I got from Ajio से लिया था. यहाँ पे मैं haul डाल दूंगी, description में भी डाल दूंगी. I'll put in the link and everything, and obviously I'll style it by tucking it inside my skirt here. And I think this is like such a cute outfit. But today, just to show you the length, I'm wearing it as it is. So this is the length of the top. It is obviously a crop top, but that's not super crop. मतलब high waisted denim वगैरह के साथ बहुत अच्छा look आएगा. And I am just in love with this top, guys. ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Like look at it, look at the fit, look at the color, look at the price. Oh my god, it got it for so cheap. So it's got everything about this. Chef's kiss, perfect. So this one gets a huge thumbs up from my side. I mean the color, fit, quality, material, price, everything is spot on, and I highly recommend it. Like I would say go for it. You can wear it as it is, or you can layer this over white shirt, tops, t-shirts, almost everything. They can do so many things with this. I'm like so happy, and I feel so confident in this top. And if any clothing piece makes me feel beautiful and confident, I just love it 100 times more. So chef's kiss, it's really good. I highly recommend this. Please get it. And if you were thinking of buying this top, go for it. Moving on to the second piece, this is a lavender purple piece. Now I will say that ये website में थोड़ा सा इसका shade lighter लग रहा था. I mean you can see here, and here's the picture of the piece that was there in the website. The shade looks really different, but then even this color looks really good. Like I am not unhappy with it. I mean lavender का shade है, कुछ भी तो मैं चला लेती हूँ. But then वाला shade was a little lighter, and even that was looking really good. Now again, this one is in the size XL and same pricing है. And I got this because of this ruching wala detailing in the side. Now I told you in one of my recent videos, I think it was the trends wala video, which I link here, you should definitely watch it. I told you that ruching is going to be super in this year, like this type of side ruching in your tops, t-shirts, dresses सब में. And I'm actually really liking it. I got a black t-shirt जिसमें side में ऐसी ruching है from H&M, and I have been wearing it non-stop because this is a basic piece. It can be paired with everything, but then this ruching hair gives like a something different to it. Now again, even iska fabric feels really good. This is like a very different fabric, like kinda the ripped material only, but thoda sa different hai. It is thicker, it's not thin ya flimsy for sure. एंड काफी अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब आई एम इम्प्रेस विद अगेन दिस पीस ऑल्सो. एंड मैं सही बता रही हूँ, मैंने बिल्कुल अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस यहाँ पे रखी हुई थी इस बार, बिकॉज वेन यू गेटिंग थिंग फॉर 260, हाउ मच कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट. सो अगेन द फैब्रिक इज रियली लाइट, एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस टॉप इज रियली गुड except for a teeny tiny detail. I mean, it's not anything major, but it is something which is bugging me, which is the sleeves. So the sleeve length is actually good, but then I think the sleeves are a little loose. मतलब अगर ऐसे फिटेड होती ना तो ये ज्यादा अच्छा लगता. इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग दिस लूज एंड दिस पार्ट लाइक हियर, कैन यू सी ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे उठ रहा है. लाइक आई एम शोइंग यू एट सच अ वियर्ड एंगल. आई कैन शो यू लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. सो हियर कैन यू सी थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ऐसे उठ रहा है. आई डोंट लाइक दैट. दैट इज गिविंग इट अ थोड़ा सा चीपली मेड वाला वाइब. सो आई थिंक आई विल गेट इट स्टिच्ड. मतलब थोड़ा सा अंदर से फिटिंग करवा लूंगी इसकी, ताकि ये पार्ट थोड़ा सा टाइट हो जाए. And then ये ज़्यादा अच्छा, like you can see the difference here already. When it's fitted, it's looking much better than it being a little loose. I mean, loose t-shirts में तो अच्छा लगता है, but then it is not a t-shirt. This is like a top that I would like to normally dress up. So उसके लिए मुझे retailing उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. But then again, as I said before, it is nothing major. And for 260 rupees, I really like this top. The ruching hair at the side, you can just cinch it and make it more cropped. Like this, or you can bring it down or इसको less crop कर लो, like whatever your liking is. So if you don't like crop tops, you can still go for it, because ये काफी like इतना लंबा इसकी maximum length इतनी है, which is like pretty long. I mean for a crop top, pretty long for a crop top. Don't just come for me in the comments. Now I can imagine wearing this in so many ways, like wearing this with high-waisted mom jeans, short skirts. Like imagine wearing this with my purple H&M high-waist jeans. काफी क्यूट मोनोक्रोम सा लुक आ जाएगा. So I'm so excited to like wear this out and style this in different ways. Even this is looking really cute with this dress. Sorry, this skirt. I can tuck this inside, or I can do like upward tuck करके इसको bra में tuck करके I can make it a little cropped and wear it with this skirt to give it a more casual vibe. Like I can pair this with white sneakers and sort of chunky jewelry, bag it back. बहुत अच्छा लुक आ जाएगा. Now this one is available in one more color. It's available in a white color. I'm definitely going to get it, because I was actually looking for a white साइड से रूच्ड टॉप फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम. H&M में देखा था, बट वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है, बहुत टाइम से आ ही नहीं रहा वापस स्टॉक में. सो आई थिंक मे बी लाइक आई विल ट्राई द स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर एंड होपफुली इवन दैट विल बी गुड. सो इसका भी मैं सेकंड कलर डेफिनेटली लेने वाली हूँ, एंड 260 रुपीज में वर्थ इट. So I was looking for like a fancy yet not so fancy white crop top. I don't know how to explain it, but I was looking for a crop top, for a white top, which is not like a basic t-shirt, but then it's not too over the top. I hope you get what I mean. And I saw this piece in Street Style store and I like this quite a lot. So this is what the top looks like. It's again the crop top. इस वाले section में you'll mostly get crop tops only actually. And it's got like a deep V-neck at the front. ये जो इसका neck है मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. You know I love a good deep neck. So ये काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. It's like quite open here at the front. So it is looking very pretty. I think you can even wear it off shoulder if you want. Next it's got ऐसे क्या कहते हैं इसको, letters trimmed scallop something detailing on the sleeve and the waist part. Now this one, the material feels so soft. I mean that is the first thing I noticed about it. काफी अच्छा, काफी soft material है. I hope this is not see through. वो तो आपको अब मैं try on में पहन के ही बताऊंगी whether it's see through or not. It's got 3 buttons at the front and this reminds me of like the ripped cardigan trend जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा in है अभी, and winter वैसे especially वो बहुत ज़्यादा trendy था. Yes, this is the final top and even this looks good with this skirt. Now either the skirt is versatile, like super versatile, or the tops are really good. So yes, now coming back to the top, which we are actually here to talk about. This is what it looks like. The neckline 10 on 10. The fabric 10 on 10. The softness of the fabric 100 on 10. And the fitting is also really good. And the price is 1000 on 10. So yes, you can already sense कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया है. I think I forgot to tell you the size that I got this in. I bought this again in XL and well, 3 for 3 guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I think this is one of the best 799 rupees I've spent in a while. All the links like of all the 3 items will be there in the description bar. Now I saw one more section on the website. There was a section of for 3 for 11.99 and 12.99, and उसमें से again I've ordered 3 items but they are not delivered yet to my house, and I wanted to make this video because I was very excited to see these items. So I'll make sure that whenever they get delivered I make part 3 of this series. But yes, I'm so happy with how all the 3 products turned out. They all look amazing and highly recommend. As usual, all the links will be there in the description bar. Wait for the part 3 because उसमें भी 3 बहुत cute सा items मैंने मंगाए हैं. Now I'm definitely going to order all of these in different colors. I hope they're still available. And yes, that's it. With that we come to the end of this video. Now if you want the makeup look details and all that, check out the video in the description bar. Do tell me what all videos do you want to see in this channel. Now the question of the day is, which was your favorite? Like in तीनों में से आपकी favorite top कौन सा था, and something that you would like to buy. And yes, that's it. Now I'll see you next time. Like करना, comment करना. You know the algorithm loves when you guys engage with any video. So do it for your girl. Don't go without liking the video and leaving a comment. I'm always hanging around to chat with you guys. So come to the comment section. And yes, now I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Subscribe नहीं किया तो please subscribe करना. Bye bye.